You know what's fucking amazing to me? The government can't figure out where all these drones flying around in our skies are coming from. But if I don't claim $47 on my taxes, they figure that out in about 2 seconds. They can access the microphone in my smart TV and tell me the last 35 times I farted, but they can't figure out where the drones shutting down the airports are coming from. When I was a kid, they used to track Santa Claus live on television using radar, and he doesn't even exist. But you can't tell me where these drones are coming from? What are you guys doing over there? I think we need to have a serious chat about allocation of resources, guys. Stop spending money on spying on the people who live here and start spending money on whatever's spying on us flying around in the clouds. Unless, of course, you already know the answer and you just don't want to tell us. These drones are shutting down airports and stopping planes from flying, and you're not doing anything about it. If I jaywalk and stop traffic for 2 seconds, you give me a ticket. Like, I don't know what's preventing you from taking these drones down. Unless, of course, the drones are yours. I don't know, just a thought.
I have to admit, there was a lot of great points made right there from my fellow patriot, Tom McDonald. I ain't had him on the channel in a minute, man. And if you don't know, I'm reading right now. If you don't think our government knows damn well who those drones belong to, yeah, you got to be mistaken, man. Even Trump had to come out and say, like, look, bro, the government knows. They definitely knows. Which makes me go, what are they hiding? Why are they flip-floppy in terms of reporting this information? It don't make sense. We know that they are lying because they hiding something bigger for sure, but what is that? You know, they know for sure, man. I don't care what nobody says. And today I'm bringing you the latest update on the drone as we know it. Now, an alleged army whistleblower shares information regarding the Orbs versus the drone situation in New York and in other places of the world. I mean, if he's legit, I'm just saying.
We are launching the drones up in the sky as of right now in New Jersey and stuff, in Texas, everywhere. Like, y'all don't gotta be afraid. Them are man-made drones.
Oh, duh, we knew that.
Or whatever. Now, what you do have to be concerned of, my bad, my eye, but is the orbs that's inside the sky that y'all see that's glowing and stuff, that's shooting down the drones and all that. That's not a part of us. Them are actually real life aliens. Like, aliens do exist. They're above and they're below us. Yes, they do exist. And 2025 there will be a lot more of exposing the truth. Now, I can't say the reason why, but because it's already out here, so I can speak on this. Aliens are real, and we will have to evacuate sooner than later. But just be careful, keep looking up in the sky.
Now, I was never in the military. I don't know how to verify whether he's actually in there or not, but we're just gonna read some of the comments. Somebody said, if you think a specialist in the Army knows the most top secret information our government has, you're sadly mistaken. When I was active duty, all I did was try to find out. I discovered nothing, even with a top secret clearance. Somebody says it may be his theory, and I'm not even saying I don't agree with him to some extent, or at least will consider that, but no way you're just putting out intel like that. You know what I mean, or whatever they call you or whatever. Like, yeah, that was my impression though. You know, I always try to lead with a I always try to question everything. But yeah, I was sitting there like, man, how are you just so comfortable with putting this information out just in the car, just chilling, you know what I mean? Like, just relaxed, you know? Yeah, let's read some more. What if the drones coming up out of the ocean are actually the Atlanteans? Maybe Atlantis really is real. Evacuate, LOL. We're going nowhere. Somebody wrote. So now we're moving along. And a shocking turn of events, an orb was seen shooting out of a smaller orb in the sky over New Jersey. Of course, these are videos just on the internet. I can't verify the authenticity of them. But wait, I probably got to ask AI if they can funnel these videos somehow and verify. But then AI, I'm using AI to verify AI. I don't know. Anyhow, this orb was just seen shooting out of orbs. Then another drone blew it out the sky. Check it out.
So we got this crazy video. This was recorded at Hamilton Lake in New Jersey last night. So watch, you can see orbs where you can see two orbs. One of them is ejecting other orbs. It seems to be shooting orbs down towards the ground. But watch this. It is shot down and explodes. I don't know what shoots it down. But this is wild. I mean, I really don't know what's going on here. Every video seems to be getting crazier. Watch. Boom. It's hanging there. Here, I'm going to play it in slow-mo. You can see it explode. There's still the other orb hovering above it. And honestly, I don't know what to think about this. Like I said, Hamilton, New Jersey, filmed last night. I had to brighten it up. The original video was extremely dark. You could barely tell what was going on. But yeah, I don't know what it's ejecting. Don't know what blew it up, but they're not talking about it.
I'm just here to report what the internet is saying. I'm not here to tell you what's true, what's false. You know, ain't that type of video where I can just say, you know, it's a lot of stuff going on. But maybe, you know, maybe it's just spreading on its own. It didn't actually get blown up by anything. You know, I don't know. Somebody said they've seen one of these orbs do something similar before right in front of him, and it didn't get shot by anything. It just made a very bright golden glow and separated into a bunch of smaller orbs. What are these orbs? I have no clue. I don't know why. The back of my skin is crawling. Somebody said, looks like a game of asteroids. Remember that fireworks ball shooter from a drone? I have no clue. Somebody says, I would like to know the source of this video, but somebody says they deceived you with cool drones and a NASA plasma orb show. Wake up. It's the same global club that's provided you your illegal invasions. They aren't even very good at this circus show. So you got the people, they ain't convinced, all right? And the FBI is now showing up on Americans' doors who are filming drone/orb videos and are posting them on TikTok, and they're demanding that the videos be deleted, according to this TikToker, Satori Jane.
So apparently the feds show up if you post those lights on TikTok. Last week I posted a video about those 12 lights that I saw fall out of the sky on my way home. Not at the same time, they fell individually. Well, my boyfriend's coworker also saw them and he caught them on film and he posted them on TikTok. And apparently they showed up to his door and he was asked to delete the video. And every time I use Cape Cod as a location tag, I get a notification stating that the video is restricted due to the location being an invalid location tag. So it's safe to say I was right about them not being shooting stars.
Now, obviously the feds, and as they wrote, could mean any government agency. But the assumption is that it's the FBI who's been showing up on Americans' doors during the Biden administration for social media posts. I do know that, you know, it's not the first of its kind for, you know, the feds to show up to American people's doors. I personally just can't verify if this is real or false. OK, that's just, you know, I gotta have some integrity here. Somebody said, I don't know if this is true, but they do want TikTok banned. They do want the First Amendment gone. That stops people from posting on it and other social networks. Somebody says, you no longer need to wonder if your Fed government is conspiring against you all. This gets proven almost every single day. Yeah. Oh, man. What else do we have going on? I'm over here. So in New Jersey, hundreds of police vehicles are maneuvering. This happened just yesterday. We don't know why, but they're thinking that this is directly related with the drones. No, we can't make the connection ourselves, but just watch.
Something is going on because there have been, look at all these police cars.
Yeah, that's a lot.
And we're stuck in traffic. Look at this.
Mm-hmm. Think the president
What?
there?
There's been a steady stream of these type of sirens for the last 3-4 minutes coming. We've been in traffic around the circle in front of MetLife Stadium. Something is happening.
Now, if you ask me, that looked like Trump motorcade. Now, this isn't directly like, how do I say this is, how do I transition into this? I'll say that people are thinking that the drones are somehow, they think the drones are directly related with what's going on with the water situation up in New Jersey. Okay, boom. I finally figured it out how to phrase it. My bad, y'all. It took me a minute, but it says breaking poison drinking water in New Jersey is safe to drink. What? And then they got these 3 bullet points right below that. UFO drones are now poisonous drinking water. I'm sorry. UFO drones and now poisonous drinking water. Why are they trying to kill the people of New Jersey? The next bullet point is 70 cities in New Jersey are dealing with discolored water that smells like toxic nail polish or turpentine. Then we have the water utility insists it's perfectly safe to drink. Let's check this clip out real quick, y'all.
Well, this map here says it all. People in nearly 70 New Jersey municipalities dealing with water that is discolored and it's smelly. But the water utility insists it's completely safe to drink. Still, some families told Christy Kalishian they're not ready to take a sip.
I wouldn't be either.
You have to line up bottles here and then go in the shower.
Michael Klein's shower works perfectly fine, but it's the water itself he and his grandkids won't use.
Yeah, it still has that odor of nail polish.
I say turpentine because, it's that strong.
He and his wife, Luz Klein, still don't know why it smells that way, and they're not alone. Residents across nearly 70 towns in northern and central parts of New Jersey under the Raritan water system got an alert from water utility American Water on Wednesday night.
We are investigating and continuing to sample throughout our system.
And told us in a statement the samples, quote, confirm that water meets state and federal drinking water standards.
Monday they said it would go away Tuesday. Wednesday said it'll be gone by Thursday.
The water is coming out clear now, but the Kleins say on Monday it was discolored. And American Water says a lot of families have been reporting the same thing. But American Water says if it is discolored, run cold water out of the lowest level of your home for 3 to 5 minutes. For now, the Kleins, who are also worried about their daughter next door, who's still pumping breast milk, are only using bottled water.
An answer sooner rather than later would be appreciated.
In Kenilworth, New Jersey, Christy Kalishian, CBS News, New York.
Now, I can't tell you what's going on, but I can tell you that something is going on. And this time around, I'm not going to be believing people telling me to not believe what I'm seeing. Okay, now, I will admit that there's a lot of information, a lot of videos popping up all online, and we live in an age where we have AI, so you have to verify, but they try to tell you don't believe eyes when you see the drones, and, I'm pretty sure they attempted to say to do that with the water. You don't believe your nose when you smell the water. They don't want you to believe nothing that you believe, except for what they believe. That's horrible.